Hi friends, this video is about how to get online driving permit from ROP. There are 5 steps to go. First step is that you have to complete your vision test through authorized center and they will upload the result to the ROP web portal. Then second step is you have to download the ROP application into your mobile phone. Then third one, you need to complete the application. Fourth one, you need to complete the payment. And fifth one, you need to download the PDF permit that is for your and reports. Now I will show you the application process. First you have to open this ROP application which you can see in the screen. Then there is a menu document service. You have to click that one. Then it will show another menu driving license. Then you need to click again. So it will show that you have to log in. So this login process is you have to enter your mobile number. That can be done either mobile number or with resident card. Then you have to do login. Then you will get this one-time OTP which you will get through your registered mobile number. You can see in the screen there are numbers. So once you selected the number which one is your own, then the OTP will be delivered to your phone number, so that need to be given back again into the same portal. Then you will get the access. Yeah, I'm doing twice this one, so to show that in case if your phone is not connected you will get this message that is not valid. So you have to give the correct resident card number or the correct phone number linked to that. So now you can see that menu, that is now you are entered into this portal, right? So again you go back to the driving license. Then you can see a menu, it's popping up. It's electronic learner driving permit, right? Driving license. So you have to click that one. Then you will have 2 menus to go. Before that, this one there's a statement coming on that just you have to agree, that is the terms and condition, that you just press agree, then you will move to the next screen. See, you can see now there are 2 options. One is the select license class, then the second one is select subclass. This license class you can go with light, medium, heavy. So generally the cars will be falling in the light vehicle category. You have to select light. Then you have to go to the subclass where you can select different classes, which is automatic, manual, private light, disabled auto and private auto. Generally private light and private auto are for the residents. Once you click that one, you have selected these options. Next it will direct to the, once you put the submit, it will direct for your payment. Then you need to make a payment through your bank card, which will be around 6 reals. So once your payment is done, again now you can see in the screen you are into the access portal, so where you will be able to see your driving license permit. So just click that one, your permit will be visible. Right. This is a recently completed permit. You can see that in the screen it will show the class and the subclass and the start date and the expiry date. Then in addition to that, it will show you eye test results which you uploaded through your vision center. Right. Then afterwards that learning roadmap is there. So you have to go traffic signal test, then control test, which is drum, the third, then the fourth one is street, which is the highway test, which will be the final. Then afterwards you will be getting the driving license. Right. So after this exercise you can see on the right up you can see a PDF is shown. So that is your PDF driving permit, which you need to click once, then you will get that permit visible to you, right, which is the one, it's electronic permit. Right now you can see in the screen. So that permit you have to keep a print with you, which your learner will be asking you, your driver or driving learner will be asking you to show that. So which for record purpose you have to keep this with you whenever you are in the lesson. So this is the last step. So this one you can download and print and keep it with you. Hope these steps are clear, and now it is your turn to start learning and get the license quickly as soon as possible and start driving your own car. Thank you.